comes against you. When the skies darken, when even the gods seem silent, and you will stand alone, betrayed, broken. Your friends, gone. Your strength, fading. Your purpose, buried under doubt. And then, you'll hear it. That whisper inside your soul that says, fight. Not to survive, but to stand up, again and again. But here's the truth. Fighting is not a choice. It's a duty. To fight for your life, for your future. So don't watch this if you want to stay weak. Watch this if you want to become thunder. Watch this if you're ready to become like me. I am Thor, son of Odin, god of thunder. And I'm here to teach you how to fight. Not like a man, but like a god. The world doesn't care who you are. It doesn't kneel to your dreams, your tears, or your prayers. This world will test you and break you. It dares you to give up. Now what will you do? That's the question life will ask you. When the job fails, when she leaves, when your plan collapses. But hear this, the storm isn't your enemy. It's your strength. I've walked into Jotunheim, land of the frost giants, where the air bites like blades, where monsters roar and gods fall. They told me I wouldn't make it out. They called me reckless. They were right. But I didn't leave Jotunheim in pieces. I left it humbled by the force of my will. The world only respects those who refuse to break. So let it come. Let the betrayal come. Let the chaos come. Let the doubt come. You do not retreat. You rise, hammer in hand. The world will try to tame you. It will try to bury you. But you weren't forged for peace. You were forged to conquer. Let's speak plainly. You have enemies, people who want to see you fall, who smile to your face but sharpen blades behind your back. Some of them wear armor, some wear suits, some wear your last name, and you will be attacked by liars, by cowards, by men too afraid to build their own power, so they try to tear down yours. They don't want to see you rise, because your strength exposes their weakness, because your confidence reminds them of everything they're not. I've fought gods and monsters. Loki betrayed me with a smile. Hela rose from the dead to take my crown. But I didn't beg. I didn't negotiate. I fought. Because if someone stands between you and your destiny, you do not ask for space. You carve a path through them. You think victory is handed out like gifts? No, it's taken through force, through fire, through war. If you have enemies, good. It means you're doing something right. When your enemies come, don't talk, don't post, just wait. And when the moment comes, strike first, strike hard, leave nothing standing. Men love to blame. Their job, their parents, the government. Most men, when they see a wall, they turn back. They complain, and they wait for help. They scroll, they pray, or they drink, hoping the wall will move. But listen to me. If there's a wall in your path, you need to break it. Because no one is coming to help you. No gods, no family, no perfect timing. When I was cast down to earth, Without my powers, abandoned by my father, I waited. I waited for someone to save me, but no one ever came. So I made a choice. Either I rot in the dirt, or I rise like a storm. And you must choose the same. Every problem you face is a mirror, reflecting the weak parts of you that still exist. I've faced annihilation, Ragnarok, the end of all things. And I stood tall because I refused to run, even when I was afraid. You want to be free? Then face your problems with courage. Destroy them, or they will destroy you. The hardest war is not fought with blades. It's fought in silence, in the dark, with the part of yourself that no one else sees, the voice that says, sleep in, the craving that tells you one more game, one more video, the fear that whispers you're not enough. When I lost my hammer, I thought I lost my power. But the truth is, I lost my discipline. I lost my purpose. I lost myself. I had to fight to earn it back. And it wasn't a glorious war. It was early mornings, hard choices, sacrifices made in silence. Every man must fight that war. The war against weakness, the war against comfort, sometimes the war against your past. You must fight yourself, your laziness, your lack of discipline, your excuses, that version of you that says, just skip today. Take it easy. It's not that bad. I learned the truth. Power must be earned, not once, but every day. You don't just hold the hammer, you become worthy of it through sacrifice and through suffering. Discipline is not a punishment, it is the path to mastery. You want to rule your destiny, then rule yourself. Train when you're tired. Choose silence when you're angry. Because the greatest strength is not to strike others, it's to command yourself. The man who masters himself needs no one's permission. So now you know, you will face battles against the world, against enemies, and against the darkest parts of yourself. And in those moments, remember who you are becoming. You are not a slave to circumstance, not a child begging for ease. You are a storm waiting to be unleashed. So rise, take your weapon, whatever it is, and from this moment forward, fight like a god. Comment what you're fighting for today. Let the world know you've entered the arena, and subscribe to the channel. Because we don't tell stories here, we forge warriors.